Alright, welcome everyone. Let's go in this beer. Let's go. Where's invite? Here we go. GPGPY. Morning. Just for 1 second. Wanda, here we go. Yo, Kushpit. Oh, okay. Good morning, everyone. I'm just gonna wait until everyone comes in. We are live now, 7:20. We're up a bit early today. Yeah, boy. Let me go on Telegram as well. We are live on YouTube now. Make sure to come and join the squad. Let's go. Good morning. Morning, everyone. Just getting all sorted over here. Wicked. Let me just do this over here. Where is it? Here we go. Morning. So it looks like I think some news came out over here in a second. I think we'll be doing a fresh analysis over here. And yeah. Oh my god. 1 second. Just need to put in the Telegram. So yeah, we got some beautiful gold sells yesterday. They ran like 60 pips, 2 trades, very nice. So yeah, GJ I left alone and I just focus on gold over here. Sorry guys. Right, okay, welcome everyone to a Wednesday morning. We're gonna be looking at some news that just came out over here, so we'll take a look at that. So as you see, we had GBP news, okay? So 3.1%, a bit less than before. Core CPI a bit less than before. PPI a bit less than before. So overall, less percentage-wise. Actual great info is good for currency. Yes, it's not good for currency over here, and this is why you're probably seeing a little bit of a push down over here, which is fair enough. So let's take a look at the daily. I'm gonna wait until people start coming on here in a second. Let's just wait for my magic keys. Oh shit. We'll be on and off this morning, guys. We're getting busy. Let's smash it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry, guys. I didn't put it in the chat. So morning, everyone in Zoom as well. See if we've got any cameras over here today. We're all filling in now. Look at that. Bam. Filling in. Wicked. So welcome everyone. I'm going to be doing an analysis on GG. I just said that we had some news before. Came out negative over here. Apart from this one, RPI. But apart from that, very negative. Pushed down to the downside. So let's take a look over here. Let's look at the daily time frame over here. The daily is bullish. Okay. Shock, the daily is bullish. I need to take a look at Asian, because if Asian has range, then normally London gets a nice push. So hopefully Asian has ranged. I'm hoping. This is the 4-hour flip. Nice. Look at the hourly. So you know you can see straight away where is our resistance. Well, our resistance is over here. You know, look at the bodies of the candles. The body of the candle here couldn't close above. So this is the resistance line, and I am going to be looking for buys above. This line, I think it's going to be looking pretty good over here. So yeah, buys above. Oh shit. 1 second over here. Yeah, so buys above, really solid. Yeah, beautiful. 1 second over here. Buys above 158.182. So beautiful. I will take a look at some charts as well. So people in Zoom, make sure to send me some charts over here. Also in the YouTubes. Wow, I already got 30 people already. Damn. Good morning, Mr. Stop Loss. Good morning. Morning, Edwin. Good morning, everyone. GPB Savage, yo. Biden tells Democrats that they can seal a deal on the new tax and spending proposal between 1.75 trillion and 1.9 trillion. Mate, I tell you what, fucking the US is printing way too much money there. They are gonna have some serious issues very, very soon. They've been printing money for fucking years now. So it's gonna be interesting. So, I mean, for me, let's take a look at the 4 hour, okay? The 4 hour is bearish, okay? The last one was bearish, okay? I'm trying to think of where I could get in. And at this time, we did have a support over here. Okay. We do have clean candles. Let's see how big this range is over here. Yeah, not too bad, to be honest. You can also class this as resistance as well. We're closing back in that zone. So if we do get this closure in 4 minutes time, maybe a top wick and then a drive down, maybe. But the only issue is the daily is not in our favor, but it is rejecting them highs, to be honest. So I think that could be good. Closing back in the range. We've got the 4 hour on our side. TP1 would be down here. TP2 would be these lows over here. Put in the daily flip a bit further down, probably here. So I'm just picturing out what I could look for sells over here, because I think this could be pretty nice. And then TP3 would probably be down at this level, 157,600. Oh my god, there we go. 157,617. Okay, beautiful. So we, oh sorry, what am I doing here? TP3. Nice, so I've got some zones over here. We're pushing down quite solidly over here. What I'm kind of wanting is a nice top wick for this next 15, and maybe you can get the drive down that I'm wanting. So yeah, we'll see if we can get this over here. Let's just get ready for Telegram. And what did Asian do? Let's take a look over here. Asian did rally up, to be fair. Again, fucking calm down, GJ. And then it just ranged. That's alright. At least it didn't rally the whole time, because normally if it rallies the whole time, GJ relaxes over here. If you check on the daily, we're currently at a strong resistance, 2016, yeah. Yeah, strong resistance over here. I'm going to be just waiting for this. I'm just going to be writing this over here. But yeah, our gold trades yesterday, holy smokes, they were nice. Got a nice 5-minute entry and it played off. Pretty nice. Let's take a look over here then. So what I'm wanting now, guys, is for this candle over here, the next one, to open, come up, make a top wick, hopefully tap this zone, and then flip. And then I'll get another flip. It's the only thing I could do. If this drops down now, then that's a bit of a shame, but I couldn't really get in over here. Take a look at the 5-minute. Yeah. I will have to wait. Still a lot of zone, though, to be honest. I'm not really too bothered if this pushes down. Still got a lot of time. So I'll take a look over here. 731. 1 second, guys. I'm just writing this just in case I want to be ready to enter. Where's my magic keys? My magic keys are here. Wicked. I'm going to take a look at gold in a second as well, which is going to be pretty fun. So yeah, we'll take a look at that, etc, etc. But it looks like it's pushed down quite a lot for me. That's fine, but I'm going to be waiting for the top wick, etc. Maybe the 30-minute to close. Oh, the 30-minute is closing as well. Nice. Yeah, it's pushed down quite far over here. Gonna have to wait a bit longer. So let's take a look for gold over here. Our Goldilocks. Let's take a look. The CPI came out negative. What does that mean for the pound? Negative for the pound over here. This is why you're seeing the push down over here. The news came out here. Now the drive down. So yeah, look like it did this move in this one candle over here. not the best. So we've got a lot of time in the hourly, to be honest. In the 30 minutes, still good. The only issue is coming towards a little support zone over here. I kind of wanted to get it up here to then drive it down. So we're going to have to wait for the next candles, etc, etc. So let's take a look at the daily on gold over here. The daily is bullish. We are bullish. We're making some support. Like yesterday, we made some support over here. The 4 hour is also bullish. Okay. Okay, nice. Let's take a look at the hourly. Also, guys, if you're in the Discord, make sure to send me some charts. I'm going to be taking a look at that in a second. Also in Zoom over here. 1 second. Where is it over here? Right, wicked. So, 50 minutes, 30 minutes. You can start to see there was a bit of support forming around about this level over here, 1773, which makes sense because it was a resistance before. Now it is making support. Pretty good. We just had a 30-minute close bearish, which is a bit of a pain in the ass. But I can see in the 15-minute we do have resistance at this time. So if we do get a closure, maybe exceeding the highs for the hourly, that could be good. So yeah, let's take a look over here to the left hand side. So yeah, this is quite a key level. Okay, so if you do break above 1776, we'll be passing this support, which could act as a resistance right now, to then continue up. So it's going to be looking pretty good for buys very, very soon over here. Maybe you're not on this 30-minute candle because it doesn't have a bottom wick, and fuck playing with no bottom wick over here. I already booked 10 pips, man. Lovely. You took the sells. Decent. In cases where news impacts PA, do you think the numbers matter? Because in this case, the numbers are bad for GBP, but they're not too off from the forecast. Yeah, I mean, you can't really predict it. I mean, obviously, it's been pretty solid bearish over here, so. It obviously came out negative. They obviously didn't like that. It's obviously not in their plan to get that. You know, it's different things, you know, that can affect it. But yeah, it looks like GJ did not like that over here at all. At all. Yeah, so 5 minutes coming down over here. Looks like we've pushed down quite a lot already. So unfortunately, I cannot get in yet. I have to wait patiently for maybe hourly close or whatever. I just want the top wick up around about this level, but it looks like we are still continuing over here. Let's take a look at GBP AUD as well. If you guys haven't liked the stream already, what are you doing, man? Make sure to like the stream if you guys haven't. We are coming towards London Open in half an hour or so. Look at that draw now. Look at that dropped over here. Sorry. Damn, son. So, you know, clean candles to the left over here. It's always gonna follow the candles. I'm in sells. Nice. Hopefully they play off over here. Yeah, TP3 will be 157618. That'll be pretty nice. Let's take a look at GBP AUD. What does it mean when the daily candle changes to bearish? It means that a higher time frame is changing direction, which can be quite big. It's exciting as well, because if a daily candle flips, it's like, oh shit. Because normally when a daily candle flips, what we was doing before was making the top wick or the bottom wick, and then now it's going to be driving. So that's just what happens. So daily flip and 4 hour flip, very, very close to each other over here. Nice. Looks like we are continuing down. Damn. Let's take a look at the daily. Where should we be heading down over here? Yeah, to these lows, 1.36700 could be quite nice. So let's take a look on the lower time frames. On the 30-minute, you can start to see that we have resistance forming right here. This candle closure was actually quite nice. To continue down over here. Can you look at gold? I'm in gold sells. Yes, I looked at gold before. Nice. I'm not going to be in gold sells. I am going to be looking at gold buys over here. When we start exceeding this zone, pushing back up over here, I think that'll be quite nice for me. The hourly is still bearish though, so we'll have to wait for this hourly closure for me. I mean, sells could be nice back down to 1773 levels, but the issue is that higher time frames always prevail, and they are very, very bullish at the moment. So I'm gonna stay away from sells, and I'm gonna be patient, just like I did yesterday when everyone was trying to take buys over here. Sorry, when everyone was trying to take sells over here, and I just took a buy and made 60 pips, like here. I actually got in on the 5 minute. Let's take a look over here. 1 second. Let's take a look where it was. Yeah, I got in when I saw that 5 minute closing, stop loss below, targeting the highs over here and continue. So yeah, I got that trade over here yesterday. It was called on the mentorship. If you guys do want to join the mentorship, I'll put it in the chat over here. We already done we've already done a simulation today. Another part of it is coming out on Friday. I've also got webinars coming out, and as you guys know already, we have the NY live stream. So yeah, take a look over here. I tried it, so I put my buy stops on, and then I waited because we pulled down too far. I wanted to wait again, delete the buy stops, and then I re-entered. It was beautiful. Didn't catch it, but GU was clean. Yeah, man. We'll take a look at GU in a second as well. So yeah, I mean, look at this already, starting to bring some volume back up. I'm not taking any gold sells for sure. I'm probably going to wait in 50 minutes time, 8 minutes time, if this candle can get a closure above, and then I may take some buys on gold over here. Wow, GJ did the move over here. Nice. That was a clean move. The only issue was, yeah, maybe you could exceed these lows, but when you exceed these lows over here, where's your stop loss? Your stop loss is way too big. So the only way I could have possibly got in is if this candle was not being a pussy and closed like this. Next one made the top wick, and then the drive down, and my stop loss will be on the top wick, or on exceeding the high of the previous. It doesn't do that, so therefore, you know, I can't get into every single trade, but that was a good trade opportunity, but the candle just pushed down way too fast for me. You could have done it on the 5 minute, but yeah, for me, there was no entry there. And what I'm going to be doing waiting now is waiting for a retest of these highs to then continue down, maybe in the next hourly. Over here, GBP AUD, yeah, to be fair, I need to look towards the left to see what zones we have, because we are exceeding these lows over here. So apparently it's because we have some Aussie guys in the mentorship, and they said that they are leaving the lockdown now. I'm like, oh my god, are you still in a lockdown? Holy shit! I'd be fucking top myself by then. So for me, look, I can see price coming down, tapping these areas. Look, can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is kind of the area I'm wanting to look at. I'm looking at where all these wicks kind of tapped. So this is a good point. And that doesn't look too far away, unfortunately. To continue, yeah, only 10 pips over here. Better entries probably will be here with resistance at 4 AM. But nice. Yeah, GBP AUD, can't really see much, to be honest. And gold is just chilling. Got 21 minutes left. Look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour is still bullish. It's got 2 hours and 20 minutes left. So yeah, we'll have to see over here. Let's see if there's any more news. No. And let's drink our coffee. Drink our coffee before it gets cold, boys. If you guys are new to the channel over here, make sure to subscribe. We've just hit 1,200 subscribers. Holy shit. 1,200. Holy smokes. Yeah, so GGA, I'm still waiting. I'm still looking for sales over here, but need to relax over here. And gold, I'm going to be looking for buys very, very soon, on the 5 minutes maybe. When we're exceeding these highs over here, 1776.7. Because that'll in turn be flipping the hourly, etc, etc. Good morning, Michael. Good morning. But yeah, we are just waiting for the setups. We're focusing. Send a chart on the cord. Okay, let's take a look at the cord if you guys haven't joined. The link is here. I'll post the link for the Discord. Oh my god, my nose, man. Holy shit. Right, let's take a look over here. Charts for the stream. Let's take a look. Okay. Let's take a look over here. Okay, so we have a... Oh, wow. This is colourful. Holy smokes. Okay. So expected price to come to liquidating that NY highs. Okay. Wait, you got in on this? Holy smokes, you got in there. That's nice. Damn, I don't know how you did that, but looks pretty good over here. Should continue. Especially look, we had a little resistance over here. We've closed above it, so I like that as well. Yeah, looking nice over here. Just having a little bit of a relax, and then should continue. Looking pretty good. That was some good risk to reward there. You didn't have a 3 pip stop. What the fuck? Damn. Damn, son. Pretty good over here. Should be continuing. Your runners should be looking nice now. Let's see how many people have hit the server rules. 271 out of 346. Man, like that button, guys, and then you can actually see stuff in here. So that seems like a long position on a chart. Yeah, man. Wait, which one? Max, that new 4K logo, could you send me that? Which one? Which one over here? All of them? Do you want them? Oh, it's actually really loud. Be careful. Your ears will get raped. That's so fire, man. I couldn't be able to pay the $5 for these. Like, what the fuck? The one with the 3 pip, is that one? Oh no, this is Brian. One with the 3 pip, yeah, I know, man. Morning, Sash. Morning. Tell me which one do you want me to send? Okay. So here we are, okay, relaxing off. I'm liking that, it's nice, we're chilling. Hopefully having a little pull up. I wanted kind of to tap the zone over here to the upside to reject. So look, we've just closed back in the zone, you know, and the only entry I can really get is if we do tap the zone again, then start flipping, and then we'll really drive down for London Open over here, which could be delicious. Billy, here in my gold sales chart. Okay. So you only gold sales over here, aren't you? Yes. Okay, I'll send that logo to you, my man. 1 second. Let's take a look at this chart over here. Oh, 1 second over here. Why have I just posted that in here? Let's take a look then. Right. So this is gold sell. Someone is in. Okay, nice. So you are taking gold sells based on the fact that it's making. We think that this is the high right now. Beautiful. Very nice. Your stop loss is around about 20 pips, 22 pips. Not too bad. And you're aiming for the 1 hour support. Okay. Yeah. Sounds good. Is there any way of managing risk that you're going to be doing or not? Gold's going to be looking better below 1773. Yeah, like here. Yeah, I agree. Nice. Looks pretty good. Let me just send that thing for you. Where's your email? The second logo. Yeah, I think the second one's pretty cool over here. I'll just send that in a sec. So yeah, guys, make sure you send me some charts as well in Discord if you guys are in any trades or looking for any. Do you want me to take a look at GBP/USD as well? I'll take a look at that in a second. Look at the 5 minute already starting to come up over here. Nice. 1776.8 TP1. Looking towards the left to try and get a TP2 over here. Probably gonna be around about this zone over here. TP2. And then for me, TP3 is going to be these highs over here. Nice! Beautiful. Let me stop recording over here, just in case I take a trade in a second. Let's see how far we are. So we just got a 50-minute closure over here. Oh my god! For me, it's gonna be looking good if we exceed this wick over here, 1776.8. The only issue is the stop loss. A stop loss. Oh, 15 pip stop. Okay. 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 Yeah, if you see this wick over here, I may continue to take a buy at that time. I can't write the signal, guys, so if you do want this, I may take it in a second over here. Let's look at the 30 minute. 30 minutes coming up now, starting to fill the wick. The hourly's just flipped over here. Looking pretty good. How to get this magic keys off, man? Piss off. There we go. Wow, a lot of volume's coming in over here. I'm not actually. Looks like there's maybe a bit of news coming. I'm gonna chill over here. I'm just looking at my IC markets and it's doing this. It's flickering. Normally when it's starting to flicker, news is coming out. There's nothing news on here, but yeah. When you get used to some certain pairs like that, you need to be careful when news comes out. So I'll be chilling over here actually. Look, it's flickering. Look at the 5 minute. Yeah, it's still looking good potentials, to be honest. Looks like GJ is still continuing down over here to fill his range up. I think it will should tap 157,600 over here. I purchased Magic Keys Volume 2 today. Wow, amazing. Congrats. Did you use my link? You better have, Edwin. You definitely didn't. Can you look at GU? Yeah, I'll take a look at GU. GBP USD over here. So, you know, you can't enter, you know, I could start to look for entries in gold over here, which is what I may be doing in a second. Oof. Yeah, I may take this trade over here. Yeah. I think I'm going to take this trade over here, guys. I can't really, what's it called? I can't really, put it in the chat, but here you go. I think it's a nice stop loss. I think with volume we start to come up. We're flipping the hourly again. We should continue over here. I've got it on the low of the current 15. How am I going to manage risk? If you do come back down and maybe where can I come? 17. Let's take a look. Around about 1750, 1775.6. I think I'm going to take some off. Or 7. Take 50% off over here. I could have waited for the 8 o'clock, but I still think 11 minutes time we should be okay. It's coming down over here though, but still giving us some room over here. Do you know what? It's only 15 pips. I'm going to hold the whole thing on. Fuck that. Controller FX 2.0. Oh, is this me? Controller FX is my boy. He's having a little vacation, bless him, isn't he? Good lad, good lad. Yeah, Controller FX London stream, man. GPUSD over here. I'm going to be doing a fresh analysis on this in a second. Yeah. I'm waiting for a close. Yep. I think that's a good idea as well for 8 o'clock. Wait for the lower wick for sure. I'll probably re-enter if this doesn't go right. At 8 o'clock over here. That's probably what I'll do. 73 viewers. Amazing, guys. Looks like GJ is still continuing over here. Nice. Down we in the really opposite sides of a trade. I timed mine a bit too early, I think. I should have waited for the 8 o'clock, but anyway, we're in this now, so The thing that makes me worry about gold buy is a huge rejection wick yesterday. I think it's pulling back to continue now. I just like the hourlies and the 4 hours over here. Keep the higher time frames in mind. Always keeping the higher time frames in mind because they always prevail. You know, I was speaking to Ted yesterday about it, and yeah, you just always follow the higher time frame trend. It makes your trade so much easier over here. But yeah. Max, did you look at GU? No, not yet. 1 second, I'm just paying attention. Give me a sec, guys. Alright, let's take a look over here. So daily time frame over here is bearish. Okay. 1 second. Yeah, daily time frame is bearish. Nice. Okay. Let's take a look at the 4 hour over here. 4 hour is bearish as well. Okay, that's not too bad. Now let's take a look at the hourly over here. So hourly, I mean, it's looking alright. I mean, the 30 minute has closed below. Okay. Can you see over here? It has closed below. This is the support that I can see over here. We have closed below. Higher time frames are bearish. I mean, as long as you wait for this hourly closure over here, oof, it could be quite nice, to be honest. Not gonna lie. Could be looking pretty Gucci over here. Yeah, this could be pretty nice. So if you do get a sell over here, I mean, it's got a lot of clean candles to flip over here. This could be quite nice. First support area is around about here. This is where resistance was before, and this is where support was. So what I'm looking for here is targets. So this is resistance, this is support. Nice. So we should cut down and fill. Let's see how big this zone is though over here. To the next support. Yeah, 12 pips. Like, CGU is just so slow, man. Like, 12 pips, really? Is that enough? When this hourly closes though, as long as you make a nice top wick over here, it could continue. Let's take a look at the hourly over here. Yeah, the hourly needs to flip over here. If not, I'm gonna have to wait for this hourly closure to re-enter again, which is fine. I'm happy to take a nice 15 pip loss on gold over here. If not, that's fine, because my targets over here are pretty nice. I got some nice targets. I think with volume we can start to push into this next zone and fill it up over here, which is like 70-80 pips. So yeah, cracking job. As I said, GJ, I'm going to be waiting for this hourly closure over here, waiting for some nice top wicks, and then maybe we can continue. We'll have to take a look over here. Someone's mic is everywhere. Here. So yeah, beautiful. So, do you have any news later on? Looks like you got, yeah, CAD CPI, not too bad, not too important over here. Not really too asked about that. That is fair. It's quite easy. Quite an easy day then, which is good. We had some obviously GJ and news just before over here, which pushed it down very, very solidly. So yeah. So coming towards London Open in 7 minutes time, guys. Make sure you like the stream if you guys haven't already, and subscribed as well, man. Hit that subscribe button, man. Hit that subscribe button, man. Hit that subscribe button. Yeah, we want 1,200 subscribers in this bitch. Damn, son. 1,200. I don't know how long was it when I hit 1,000? I don't know, a couple weeks ago, like 3 weeks ago or something. That shit mad, boy. So yeah, gold coming down over here. Going to be tapping my stop loss. I'm going to be waiting a bit more for the hourly to close in a second, I think. So GBP USD is closing very, very soon over here. Okay. It's going to be interesting. It's going to be interesting to then continue. Nice. GJ, as I said, yeah, that move is nice over here. Pretty solid move. Wow, that was like 1 pip from my stop. Nice. So yeah, I'm gonna be still waiting for gold buys again. It'll be near the hourlies when the hourlies open and they make their top wicks and bottom wicks. I thought we were gonna get the push there, but clearly not. We have to wait a bit longer over here. I'm still in, just about. So yeah, gold. As I said, not gold. GJ. I'm really wanting a nice little pull up over here. You know, a nice solid pull up. Reject the candles just like this did, and then the drive down and fill this range up. Because this is the range that needs to be filled. So hopefully we can do that over here, guys. So yeah, if you guys have sent any charts, let's take a look. GP news wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad, but clearly it has had an effect on GJ over here. Maybe they, you know, they said something in a speech that they said, you know, we should be growing consistently every time, and then this is a stall, you know. So there's like things that you can't even predict. Like, you know, if Boris goes in a speech, you know, we expect our GDP every month to be, you know, positive, and then these numbers come out, which is not what he's saying. That's, you know, it's not good, even though it doesn't look on paper it looks all right. You know, something's clearly not going well over here. So yeah, that's how it kind of works. So 4 minutes left for GJs and London Opens to open over here. The hourly is going to be interesting. Let's see how it closes over here. If it does reject, Billy Willy could be okay over here. Guys, like the stream. Yeah, man, let's like the stream, guys. We're here every single morning. Look how many streams we've done now overall. I'm not going to lie. October for London session has been very ass. Very, very ass. August was beautiful. September was beautiful. But yeah, October's been chilling. But, you know, still growing as it is. So clearly providing some value over here, guys. So go back, look at the live streams. The recaps are all on my Instagram as well. Yeah, my Instagram is here. 1 second. We liking the stream. Instagram. There we go. Instagram should be coming over here. So yeah, beautiful. Wow, look at that drop down over here. I'm liking that. GBP AUD, oh, kind of flipping up over here. Yeah, I didn't really like GBP AUD today. It wasn't the best. GU with this closure, oh, this could be looking nice for people who trade GU. Can you break down GG and your thoughts? Yes, I think you're too late to the party. All you have to do is go back. I think we are bearish. The 4 hours bearish, the daily's bearish over here. Or nearly bearish, flipping bearish in a second. We should be filling up this range. Thing is though, that was the entry over here. If you didn't really get that entry or couldn't get an entry, which I couldn't because this candle closed too far in the zone, it's quite hard now to get a trade over here. So you just have to chill over here. 40 likes, amazing, guys, amazing. But yeah, guys, you guys haven't followed me on Instagram. What are you doing, man? I post that every single day. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. It's 5 minutes. Come on, boy. Don't play with me. Don't play with me, GJ. Not GJ. Gold. Stop playing with me. Thing is, though, the good thing is with gold is when you catch the move, like, for example, yesterday I caught, like, you know, overall, like, 60, 70 pips on gold. Like, I'm not too bothered to take a nice, you know, 15 pip trade, 15 pip loss over here. So not really too bothered. Because, you know, that's like 5 of my normal trades over here, so yeah. I still think this over here could be potential anyway, so wicked. If you guys want to re-enter, if you guys haven't taken this gold trade, I mean, when we exceed these highs over here, it could be quite good to continue. Really depends on this hourly closing in 50 seconds time. Come on, 15-minute boy. Come on, 15-minute boy. So yeah, GBP/USD is closing over here. Nice. So, you know, what the first thing you need to do, you need to wait for this hourly to make a top wick, which should happen in the first couple minutes of the candle, which will do something like this. Then you enter on the flip to the zone. Only 10 pips though, which is a bit annoying, but that's how I would approach it. Gold looks nice, yeah. I should have just waited for the hourly close over here, but anyway. So unfortunately I have to wait for this pull down, which could tack me in the ass over here to then continue up, which is a bit of a pain. Now my stopper is actually on the low of the 30, which is good. So come on boy, come on boy, come on GJ, here we go. Not GJ, gold, let's go guys. Right, that's just trading view lagging out over here guys. Here we go. Come on boy, give me that push I'm wanting for the hourly. If you guys have re-entered over here, I think you should be good. Stop loss is like 15 pips, not too bad at all. I think with volume we should be pushing above, and if not, then that is going to be an L for today. Have to take a look over here though. Let's take a look at the 5 minutes. Look, GJ. Oh! Holy shit! The one day on London I look at gold and GJ's flying. Holy shit. So I mean, it's made a little top wick over here, but not the best one. If people had runners in over here, holy smokes. You guys are gonna be flying over here. Nice. Holy shit. Secured 75% before the London Open. Look nice. Oh, snap. Holy shit. The runner made the same as the main. Nice. That's good. That's what you want, man. You want your runners to do the talking over here. Damn, so let's take a look at the hourly now. Oh. I mean, look at that. I mean, look at that over here. Really, really dropping. I mean, if we get an hourly close below over here, we should be continuing and flipping these candles. Nice. Nice. Come on, gold. Come on. Don't make me want to trade GJ. I've been liking you. You made me some money yesterday. Make me some money today, motherfucker. Come on, break above. You knew you can do it. Ah, you fucking pussy. Right, I'm not gonna look at gold anymore. Wow, look at that. Holy shit. So getting into GJ over here, a lot of volume. Waiting for the 50 minutes to close over here. Top wick and exceeding the low. Could be potential. It's probably how I would do it. Probably how I would do it over here, guys. GJ sell simple trade. Lovely, Samantha. Let's take a look over here at this trade. Let's take a look at this trade over here. 90 people in the squad. Amazing, guys. If you guys haven't liked the stream already, what are you doing, man? We'll break it down all pairs for you for a lovely London Open. Holy smokes. Stop loss 10 pips, TP 20 pips. Nice 2-to-1 risk to reward over here. Damn. Pretty good over here. Nice. Beautiful. You got a nice stop. 10 pip stop. Yeah, pretty good. Pretty good. So you actually just got in on the, it looks like just in the middle of the hourly candle, just entering. Nice. And now runners. Have you got any runners on, or do you not do runners? Why do people not do runners, man? Thank you very much, Dale Williams, for subscribing to the channel over here. Amazing. Beautiful. Really solid trade there, guys. Well done for people catching that. Yeah, I think it may be so what time is this at? 8 o'clock. Oh, it's a 7:45. Yeah, 7:45 would have been pretty good over here. Wow, did that move beautifully. How much do you normally leave with runners? It depends on the zone. So like here, if I got into a trade right here, I'd probably have quite a big runner. So like maybe like 50% or 25%, 30%. Because the fact that the zone's big. If like this is a tiny zone, so if I got into like a buy here, I'd probably take off 80% here because there's resistance, quite a higher time frame resistance. So it's all depending on the zones over here, guys. It's all depending on the zones. Come on, gold. You know you want to go up. Just get this 5-minute candle to blast off, you little pussy. See, if this is the NY session, people would know my Zoom that we'd be playing Bob Marley right now. Bob Marley and Marvin Gaye normally gets it to move, but I can't on YouTube. So I have to just sit here with my copyright-free music. Oh, we got another subscriber here. Thank you, MD Vital, for subscribing. Nice. Nice. Yeah, I still think there's potential as long as you stay above that. I'm happy to take this trade over here. Hourly closed a bit doji, which is a bit shit, but we still got higher time frames in our bias, and we hopefully should continue. Crazy how this week Asia is pushing with the higher time frames and London doing the retracements. Yeah, normally it's the opposite way around, isn't it? But identifying that and knowing that's a bit weird this week is fine. You know, you could actually potentially just take the week off. For sure. So just don't worry about that. So same with GBP USD over here. I mean, nice. I mean, for me, the only time I could have got in was maybe exceeding these lows over here, which was at 730, with a stop loss above. But then the issue is that the stop is 6 pips with not much of a top wick. So you know, top wicks over here. The only top wick was here. That was nice. But the issue is that the top wick over here and the price you could be getting in right at this zone, it was also resistance here, so this could act as support. So for me, there wasn't really a option over here. But really nice, solid impulses. But people taking impulses were nice. Delicious, in fact. Tried to enter on the break of the previous 15 and somehow executed 3 pips earlier. Ah. Damn. Damn, son. Yeah, still continuing down over here. Damn, that's nice. GBP starting to flip up over here, rejecting them lows. Oh, let's take a look at the 4 hour. Let's look at the hourly. Oh my god. If this hourly over here exceeds the highs, should be this kind of resistance zone, that could be a nice buying opportunity, which would be, you know, kind of swinging it, but could be quite interesting. Could be quite interesting. So where are we heading down over here for GJ? I think for me, I mean, look, we've got clean candles to the left over here as well. Let's take a look further to the left. Yeah, you got clean candles, man. Definitely, this could be a target for runners over here, guys. If you do have some runners, this could be quite nice to continue. Holy shit. It's running, it's running, it's running. It's running, boy. Do 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 do. Do do do. Yeah, so London session this week for me has been boring. Fucking boring. No gold, no gold. You are gold, gold. Just needs a bit of a pack-a-punch volume over here. Let's take a look at news tomorrow, actually. Let's take a look over here. Have I drank any of my coffee? Oh, my coffee's going to be cold now. Cold coffee, that shit is nasty. So, I mean, in 6 minutes' time, if you get a closure below the zone again and wait for the top wick, I mean, re-entries could be quite nice, to be honest. You have to take a look over here. They could be pretty solid entries. So like this, guys. This is what I'm looking for. Oh shit, we're tracing up over here. I think gold buys are good. I don't at the moment because I'm in fucking 7 pip drawdown over here. Hopefully we can stay above the 30 minute, but if not, then that's fine. A 15 pip stop loss I'll take any day, my boy, any day. So yeah, wait for the top wick, possibly tap this zone over here to then continue down. That's what I'll be looking for GJ. But at the moment I am focusing on gold because I am in a trade and I've been holding it for fucking ages. Come on, give me that volume, give me that volume. Look at the 5 minutes, they're so small. Come on, man. Yeah, this is not looking good now. It's taking its time, it's flipping, it's messing about, boy. Let's take a look at gold before. Yeah, gold 7 AM again. Oh, 6:30. 6:30, 7 AM. I see a lot of nice moves at gold. Pretty nice over here. Looks like GBPUSD is going to be finishing this move and hitting our next zone that we marked up over here. Very, very nice. DXY short-term bullish. Careful with gold buys. Yes, I have been very, very careful. I have managed my risk, and I am great. And considering I took like 80 pips out of gold yesterday, I am happy to take this loss over here, which is coming down right now. So GBP/AUD, ooh, still chilling over here. Yeah, so it looks like GBP/AUD now is just ranging a bit shit over here. Buys above could be nice, sells below this kind of zone that we marked out on the higher time frames. Let's take a look. Is there any more charts over here? Let's take a look at that's Telegram. 1 second. There we go. GBP/AUD Francis. Oh, you took a sell over here. Nice. When was this? 7:45. Let's take a look over here. So you got in at 1.84102. 1.84102. Like over here. Ooh, might have got 10 pips nearly. Just about. Not substantial amount, but not too shabby. GU melting? Yeah, man. Well, it's not melted, it's gone 10 pips, but nice for people who take that trade over here. Pretty good over here, nice. GBP/AUD coming down. All pairs are starting to come down over here. Damn, son. Damn, son. Nice. And yeah, we are just chilling. Let me just move this a little bit over here. Damn. So if we do break these lows, where's our next support? Well, we look towards the left over here. Maybe look on the 15-minute time frame. Let's take a look. Right around this area would be the next support for me. So this zone is nice as well. 15 pips. Okay. 15 pips. Okay. That could be quite nice. 40 likes, guys. Make sure you like the stream if you guys haven't already. Does help me out. It helps you guys out for the giveaways. The more likes, the more interaction, the more times I get on YouTube recommended, then the more giveaways I can give away. So yeah, beautiful. Still in this trade over here. But the stop loss is fine for me, so it's not like I'm holding a fucking 60 pip stop, holding literally a 15 pips. So I ain't too bothered, boy. So 2 minutes time getting a closure. Okay. 2 minutes. How come we didn't close gold after the previous hourly close bearish doji? Let's take a look over here. I was happy because we were exceeding the highs. It wasn't really about the hourly, it was about the 4 hour and the daily, and the fact that we had resistance over here and we had some volume 8 o'clock to push up, and I had a 15 pip stop. So a lot of things that were in my bias that I liked. And we still don't exceed the low of the 30, so you know it's still valid. Over here. So closure in a minute's time for GJ over here. Okay. We'll have to see if how it reacts over here. Look at these 5 minute candles though. So these 5 minute candles are showing to me this maybe a support starting to form, because you know 1, 2, 3 candles in the 5 minute have came to a zone, they've wicked big wicks over here, come down to the same point, retraced all the way back up. Kind of shows that there may be some support over here. Some support holding could potentially be. What last size do you use for gold? I use a 2 lot. 2 lot at the moment. 2 lot in gold. And yeah, And then on GJ I use 3.5 or 4 lots. That's like my nice little barriers over here that I quite like to use. Do 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 do. Down down. Yeah, not looking good over here. Yeah, I'm out on one of my gold positions over here. Beautiful. Well managed risk nicely with a 15 pip stop. Happy with that. And yeah, 5 minute couldn't control. I mean, we didn't get a closure above, so it wasn't impulse. But for me, I still held it on. Oh, I still got one of my trades on. What? How is one still on and one isn't? The fuck? Anyway, I'm still in this trade. Oh, look at this. As I said, the 5 minutes over here. That looked a bit rough over here. Damn. So looked like price starting to retrace. Look at the 5 minute. Yeah, the five minute for me. That's mad. So look, the support is holding over here. Price just came all the way back up on the 5 minute to close back in the zone. Damn. GBP AUD is just ranging. Gold is still playing around over here. I still think it has time to come up over here. We'll have to see. GBP AUD, yeah. GU, it has tapped the zone, and look what's happening in the 5 minutes over here for both of the GBP pairs. They are tapping zones and they are starting to retrace over here. I think GJ is going to range in this zone. Yeah, potentially. Well, it's done the move now. It's filled the whole move. Mad. It has done the whole move. Look at that. So that's why I was looking at the 5 minutes over here, and for me they were giving me a bit of a query. It was just a bit like, they're all tapping this zone. They're all starting to leave quite big wicks over here. Look, all of them left the same big wick. So for me, I was like, ooh, this could be risky business over here. Look at that GJ starting to push up over here. So people being greedy, trying to hold these swings on. Make sure you take your profits over here, because the higher time frames. Where are we? We're bullish in the scale of things. So your little tiny cells over here won't go too far. Very, very likely they won't go too far. So yeah, 97 viewers. Look at this, man. Look at the 30 minute. Holy smokes. So this could be just news Britain priced in, and now we are starting to reject these lows over here. Price came, we didn't close below. Can you see as well? This 15-minute candle that just opened over here didn't close below. So this is the support, and it's holding it pretty wild over here. And it looks like gold is starting to come up over here, which I may take a re-entry. Any trading psychology books you recommend? Yes, Trading in the Zone is the book that I would recommend. Very, very good book. I rate it a lot. Yeah, it's really, really good. And it's on YouTube over here. I can hear. There he is. Yeah, you can watch it on YouTube. I'll show you in a second how you do that. So you go on YouTube over here, and we type in trading in the zone. It's an audio book. And yeah, look, so 8 hours long. I mean, I wouldn't, you don't have to look at the whole 8, but yeah, it's pretty good. I'd advise watching it. I would advise watching it for sure. It's a pretty good book, especially for your psychology and stuff. It's nice. Support form setup. Where's this? Oh, what, for gold? For GJ? GJ, yeah. Yeah, boy. 10 minutes time over here. It's looking pretty mad. Yeah, 15-minute making support. 30 minutes starting to come up over here. Damn, I mean, look at this. over here. Yeah, mad. Look at that. I mean, a 30-minute to close, but then let's see how big these zones are over here. Got resistance at the 10 pips, which is a bit of a pain in the ass. And then to 25, then to 40 back at the highs. I might look at some buys on GJ. Yeah, I think people are looking for buys over here in GJ now. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hours quite bearish though. The daily is just flipped bullish again. So, you know, keeping the higher time frames in mind over here, you always have to do that. Wow, look at this, 5 minutes. Holy shit. Always take a look at the 5 minutes. Have a little peek in and you're like, holy smokes. Yes, this tapped me out now. A bit choked on gold over here today. GBP AUD starting to exceed these highs as well. Look at the 30 minutes. Oof. Where would your stop be if you got in? 22 pips. Oh, it's probably better to wait for the 9 minutes over here to then continue. Maybe. I think that's what I'd want to see over here. So the only issue is that the 4 hour is not in your bias at all. You know, going against the 4 hour could be a bit dangerous over here. The daily is very, very weak bullish and it's flipping between. Let's just get rid of these over here, which is what our TPs were. When you watch the 5 minute, you're just on pressure. Not really. I think looking at 5 minute when you're in a trade, you can close some partials if it starts to go down. But if it starts to go in the wrong way, sorry. But if you look at the 5 minutes and this is starting to happen, I'd take out my runners. So I think it helps quite a lot. I'm gonna quickly go to the toilet, guys. It won't be too long. On today. One second over here, guys. The reason I'm looking for buys is because you have yet to break in structure and could be a liquidity grab to push back up. Since overall we are bullish. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. I mean, that was a big pull up over here. That was mad. Pretty mad. 40 pips to the high. Not too shabby. Oh my god. Yeah, it's a bit choked over here. Wait for the 30 minutes to close in 6 minutes time over here. Beautiful. GBP/USD tapped our next support and ran back up. And yeah, mad. Thing is though, GJ, it's just the 4 hours just so bearish. The issue is this. And it's pulled up a lot already. I mean, to the next resistance is 16 pips is a resistance here as well. So I might leave that over here. Good morning, Max. Let's wait one more time to come to 157,400 next level. Then it might be a buy with double bottom again. 157,400, like here. You have to see. You'll have to see. Let's take a look on Discord over here. No more live streams over here. Okay. Yeah, so I mean gold, I mean GJ's done a lot of volume over here, but for me, I mean the only way to get in was probably around about this area over here. Stop loss above. But I was focusing on gold at the moment on London session. Every single time I focus on a different pair, the other pair runs, and this one stays still. I think that was the only entry I possibly could have get, to be honest. Which would have been nice actually. So TP2 would have been, I said like here, and then TP3 was like here. So from TP3, how far did it run? 30 pips, damn son. Nah. How many subscribers we get today? 4 people joining the squad. Damn. Look at GPAUD, really in that zone. Is it possible for you to find a spot on your layout to show what time frame you're on as you change? It's here, yeah. Here it says 15 and 30. I can put the thing on the overlay, but fuck that. It looks disgusting. You just have a look to the top left over here. If it's the third one along, you might not be able to see it properly, but if it's the third one along, it's 30. If it's the second one along, it's 15. Oh wow, gold, you piece of shit. 3 minutes time. I'll have to see how far this 5 minute pulls up over here, but that could be quite interesting again. The hourly still bearish though. 4 hours still good though. I'll be taking a look. 83 viewers, amazing guys. Ooh, look at GP USD tapping the zone, like we always say. You know, it was support before, now it could be resistance to then come and flip. I think he's talking about the watermark. Yeah, he is, but fuck that. I've tried it on before and it looks like ass. I don't like it. Just use your knowledge. Just take a look and go right. Why don't you just have your own GJ chart? Who are looking to go buy? Take care. I guess it could come down within the range again. Yeah, for me, it's playing around in this zone over here, from here to here. I'm gonna wait for 2 minutes for this candle closure. Have you taken anything apart from that gold trade today, mate? No, not yet. Haven't taken anything else. But I'm liking this gold again. Just do I want to re-enter again? That is the issue. What time is it now? Yeah, 8:30. Nice. Nice. If it closes above the support at 7765, then I might take the buy once it creates a lower wick. Yeah. Yeah, boy. That's what I'm going to be looking for over here. Don't you fucking dare run off now. I'll be so pissed off. You wait. Due of late is tricky. Yeah. I did say that though, like this was the zone. If you want to get into GU sales, it was here when this candle closed, and then if you're down here now, you can't really take any trades because it is at support. So like support resistance, very very simple. Simple terminologies over here. Rejecting them lows again for the third time. So yeah, looking pretty good over here. Let's take a look. $70.77.1, I think would be nice. 70, yeah, that's gonna make me a massive stop loss though. Ooh, 5-minute close right on it over here. Exceeding them wicks, I think, could be an option with a 10-pip stop. Oh yeah, motherfucker! Make the lower wick, you pussy. Make the lower wick. Nice. Nice. Make that lower wick. God dang it. Make that lower wick. I can see you making that lower wick. Don't be a pussy. There we go. So making the low wick of the 30-minute now. Nice. I am taking in fact the hourly. Shut up. I'll remove you, and I'll move you. Great. Okay. So yeah, as I said here, we are waiting for this low wick to form over here, and then to come and flip and exceed the highs. Then that could be a good option over here. Look at the hourly. Yeah, they'll be exceeding the previous resistance over here. Oh, look at that 5-minute though. It's funny because the 5-minute didn't close above, so that's why I was kind of worried of getting in over here. Oh, look at that. That's why you gotta wait for the low wick to form over here, guys. So we'll see how it does in this area, but it looks like it's rejecting them highs over here. GJ, what are you doing, GJ? Yeah, 5-minute close of bearish over here. For me, if you take GJ buys over here, it could be risky. I mean, you could potentially do it, but when the 5 minutes are pointing down to you, oof, I wouldn't advise that. 30-minute as well. Look at that doji candle. I think if you just didn't get in over here, you have to just relax and chill. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. We've got NY session to continue. The good thing is though, GJ is finally having some volume in London. Finally, for the past fucking 2 weeks, it's been so shit. So that is good. That is good. I mean, you could potentially try and take a long over here, the stop loss below, but let's see how big your stop loss would be. Yeah, it's still 10 pips stop. That's a risky ass trade. Gold moving sus. Yeah, gold moving extra sus today. That's fine though. I'm happy because I used gold's beautiful moves yesterday's and ate. So I was pretty happy at that. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Really, really respecting this zone over here. Did you delete? Yeah. I never had them on. I was waiting for the low wick and then I was gonna add it on. And then I'm gonna put it here, but I'm still waiting for this 30. Looks like we are seeing these lows though. Mate, GJ literally shot up 100 pips yesterday during London. Yes, it did, but there was no confirmation. And actually, didn't it shoot? Let's take a look over here. What day was it yesterday? Oh shit, I haven't. Oh shit. I haven't done some things over here. Nah. 1 second. Forgot to change the date over here, so it is the 20th. Nice. Okay, so on the 19th over here, let's take a look what happened. Yeah, we got a 7:30, 8 o'clock was pushing. Let's take a look at the 15 though. 15, look at the 15 time frame, man. The 15 was disgustingly shit. So if you tried to take in a trade, this was the entry, and then it came up. Oh, actually, this is gold. Sorry, what the fuck am I on about? Let's take a look. What am I on about, bro? Yeah, it didn't, bro. So you're talking about London Open. Well, London Open is where I trade. I don't trade GBP JPY between 10:30 and 11:30, or 9:30 to 11:30. Sorry, and this is where the move happened. But in my session, it is from here to here. So there was nothing. So yesterday, no, there was no volume until 10:15, which normally if you backtest GJ for the past year, there's barely any volume there. So GJ is showing that it has the potential to come down and test the 30-minute doji bottom again. If it happens, then I'm here to buy. Come on, GJ, we're waiting for you. You're gonna buy here? Oof. $5-minute making some support over here. Yeah, I think that was the move over here. Breaking these lows on the 15 at around about 7:15, and your stop loss would have had to be tight, and you'd have had to hope the volume was there, because unfortunately the stop loss didn't have much of a top wick. So yeah, wasn't the best over here. If this candle just closed a little bit lower, I would have been in that trade, but unfortunately it did not. So you can't do anything about that, man. You can't do anything about that. Let's show to on a fib play for sells low. On a fib play, let's take a look at some fibs over here. Fib retracement. Let's take a look. Ah, yes, golden zone or whatever the fuck it's called. Nice. That means GJ is gonna go down. That's the issue, man. I mean, if we do exceed these lows over here, oh, is that flipping anything? Oh my god, that could be quite nice to continue. The stop loss above, oh, stop loss is quite big. Stop loss is quite big. I may wait 7 minutes time and see if we get a closure below. If we do, I may continue to take sells. Continue the sell trend over here, guys. So yeah, if you guys haven't liked or subscribed the stream, what are you guys doing, man? Make sure to like and subscribe every single day. October's been a chill month, to be honest, but August, September was very, very nice. Right, this is looking good. 12 pips stop. I'm gonna wait 6 minutes time for this closure over here. But it is exceeding the low, so this is like a salary play on GJ over here. The 5 minutes, yeah, this is looking quite nice now, to be honest. This could continue down. My only issue is the stop loss. Now I could use a stop loss on the 5 minute. Yeah, 12 pips, not too bad. We're waiting for a closure back below the zone. There's going to be more confirmation, because at the moment we have actually closed in the zone. We haven't closed out of it yet. So if this closes in 5 minutes time, I may be looking for some sells. So I have to take a look at that over here. Go on, guys, let's hit this like button. Yeah, man. 5 minutes left. Let's see if we can hold off. let's take a look over here. So if you do get this 5-minute closure below support is what I want over here. The next one makes a top wick, and then we drive down. That is what I'm going to be looking for. That is what I'm going to be looking for over here. But getting in now is too risky because we know the fact that this is support. You know, price could just come and reverse back up. But if we get a closure, we've got a candle closing below the zone. So we should continue. We look left, and there is a lot of zones to fill over here. You see? A lot of zones. So knowing that, you could take some nice trades over here. So let's get a signal ready over here if you can. Oh, sorry, did I put that in the chart? I didn't mean to do that. Let's delete this. I didn't know I put that gold thing in the chart. I had it ready and maybe I just accidentally sent it. But anyway, it doesn't matter. Didn't get activated, so who cares? So let's take a look. GJ, sell, stop. 1576 something or 5 something probably. Round about this zone 5. Probably I want to kind of flip these wicks over here. So yeah, that's going to be quite a big stop, unfortunately. I have to see if I can get it maybe on the flip then. So I'm always looking and seeing my stop losses. Are they valid? Are they valid enough? You know, all that kind of stuff, because they may not be. Let's take a look to the left then for TP. So TP1 is going to be around about zone. If you get the closure, change this to our green line over here we use for TPs. TP2 is going to be 357 because that is where resistance was before. It could be acting as support now. And then furthermore, TP3 is going to be over here, 251. This is only if we get a closure below in 2 minutes 40 time, okay? If not, then we leave it for the next days. Not next day, sorry, next sessions. 250. Come on, guys, let's get this 2 minutes time. Hopefully we can get a closure. That'll be looking pretty solid to continue down. If we don't get a solid closure though, and GJ could be respecting support over here, and you have to be very, very careful. Oh, breaking these lows over here. Oh, I might try and take this sell already. Yeah, I'm gonna take it. Sell this motherfucker, I think, in a couple times. Nah, I'm gonna wait. 1 minute 40. Come on, savor it. Even though it should start to run down over here now. Hopefully, we can make the nice top wick of the 15 and then continue. For me, stop loss is just gonna be kind of on this zone over here, 717, I think. Then continue down. My bet is on GJ running off. Yeah, we've got a minute's time to hopefully close and then make the top wick. Make the top wick for me, boy. Minute's time. Don't you fucking dare run off, I swear to God. You stay, you relax for 50 seconds, please! But if you miss the move, you miss the move. You can't do anything. But the one thing I need is the confirmation we're leaving the zone again by a closure. That's the only thing I can do. That's the only thing I can have for confirmation. All the higher time frames are my bias now, so this is pretty good trade over here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. 25 seconds left. We got 25 seconds to go. And if you exceed the lows over here, that'll be nice, because it'll be 577, 56, so it'll be 575, I think. Then 675 is going to be here. Ooh, it closed on. It closed in the zone. No. So closing the zone. Fuck's sake. Now the one thing you could do potentially is wait for this top wick and exceed the low. That is the only entry I could probably look for. But it has closed in the zone, which is a bit of a pain in the ass. That 5 minute over here. We'll see how far this pulls up over here, guys. But you can see the discipline there to get into trades like this. It's just ridiculous. You need discipline. If you do exceed this low over here though, 576, and then stop loss will be here. So a 10 pip stop. I think that could be valid. We'll take a look over here. London session jinxed. Thing is though, we have got a bearish 15 closure over here. Even though it didn't close just below, that's fine. I still like if we exceed these lows over here, because this will be exceeding these lows. And then our stop loss. This is what I like, right? When you get a trade, when you've got a closure back in a zone. So this is like zone 1. This is zone 2. So like, look here. So zone 1. Zone 2. Now if we get a trade for sells and our stop loss is in zone 1, that's quite good. I like that. It gives me more confirmations over here. Yes, I'm gonna enter with this over here. 675, is that what it is? Yeah. So if we exceed this low, my target's all mapped out. We're rejecting. Look at the 5 minutes now. Just flip that wick, boy, and start pushing, you pussy. And that'll be the trade. With momentum, we should be fine. If not, I'm taking that loss. I'm taking a 10 pip loss on that top wick over here. Completely fine with that. Let's take a look. Not in yet. I'll tell you when I'm in. I've got a market pending over here on my magic keys. Language, bro. What am I? What does that mean? What does that mean, man? What does that mean, man? Right, I'm in. I'm in, boy. And if this doesn't work, I'm happy to take this L. I think it's a really good opportunity, guys. If you guys haven't taken this trade, what are you doing, man? Because it's beautiful. Because it's beautiful. Already 0 drawdown. Know what I'm saying at the moment, but hopefully we should still continue down. You're gonna melt doing the flipping on. Okay, beautiful. Yeah, I think this is a really, really valid trade. So, you know, I was patient. I had to wait for this top wick over here to then continue down. So, you know, didn't want to get in early because I know the top wick is going to be forming. I'll sit this one out. Fair, fair, fair. I've just seen this happen a lot of times over here. I think we can get some nice sells. And if not, that's fine. My stop is good. To manage risk, let's take a look on the 5 minute over here. To manage risk, I'll probably take 50% off if we come to here, because I'll be rejecting the low again. So 650. So take 50% off at 157,647. because I don't want it to flip back in the zone anymore. I want it to continue down. I want the pressure to push it down over here. So if it does that, then, you know, not the best. Seven, 6, 4, 8. Yeah, nice. Beautiful. So we'll take a look and see how this goes over here. It's got a nice zone to fill. Clean candles to the left over here. 33 pip zone. Isn't too much room for risk management on this one. Yeah, I can do it on the 5 minute though. So that's what I've done. You know, use my 5 minute tools, use my 5 minute time frame to manage my risk beautifully. 10 minutes left of the hourly, not too bad. Hopefully we can get this punch very soon. If not, then I'm going to call it a day over here. But we are rejecting these zones. We should still continue down. No, 51 likes, amazing guys. Make sure to like the stream if you guys haven't already, and if you guys haven't subscribed and you just found the channel, what are you doing, man? Make sure to come say hi in the chat. Beautiful. So while this is running, let's just chill and look at some other things. So GBP AUD coming down, GBP USD coming down. Gold is still acting like a bitch. Holy smokes, that is mad. That is mad over here. Really, really bad price action on gold now, so glad I only took that one L on gold over here. And GBP/USD tapping the zone again, coming back and tapping the next zone. So from zone to zone, very, very simple. Very, very simple trade over here. Looks like GJ's coming back up over here. So I'm ready to close half at this time. No, this is how you manage a trade. This is, you can't be taught by this. You need to learn to manage the trade as it goes on. There's no point in holding the full thing on if you can manage it nicely. If you can manage it properly over here, I can actually get a really nice managed trade. So at around about 6 pips, I'll be taking off 50%, which means that my total loss is going to be, you know, actually my whole stop is like 9 pips. So very, very tight stops. You sent a chart, beautiful. Let's take a look over here. Nice. 1 minute entry. Wait for London to liquidate pre-London buyers next for hourly high. Nice. Looks pretty good over here. So have you stopped to break even, or are you holding them on? You've got 8 pips over here. Not 8 pips. Certain amount of pips over here. Yeah, about 7-8 pips. Not too bad. Not too bad over here. Nice. Delicious, delicious. Looks like it's good if going well for you then over here. Tasty. Yeah, looks like gold's going to be doing the move now that I've been waiting for the past 15 hours. But I tried once on the 15 over here. But very, very bad price action over here. As you can see, you know, when price starts to look like a barcode like this, like, you know, like you could beep it in Tesco, yeah, normally just fucking leave that shit. Come to the next stream. On GJ TP1, TP1 is 157,470. My stream lag, not sure if you answered my question. I'm down like a 1% for the month. Is that bad? And how about you? 1% for the month, is that bad? No, it's not bad at all. I am up about 8%, so not too much this month over here. The past week has been a bit of a pain in the ass. It's just 1 or 2 trades just saving my balls, to be honest, because GJ's been acting like a bitch. But like, for example, yesterday in itself made me like 3%. So yeah, don't worry about it. Chill. Minus 1% is beautiful, man. Don't worry about it. Don't you worry about that at all. You know, focus on your losses. Why are you doing that? How many pairs are you trading? Like all these questions, just ask yourself. Do you trade with astrology? What the fuck does that mean? Oh, like with like moons and shit. Let me just check the moon. Let me just check the moon outside. Okay, ready? Let me go check it. Let me go check the moon. Oh my god, you're gonna see me in my boxes anyway. Okay, the moon just told me. The moon just told me, guys. GJ is going down. Okay, there we go. There we go. The moon just told me that. Okay. So right, what time is it now? 4 minutes in. Let's go. We're gonna hit TP1 over here. Boo-hoo! We got a W.
Look to break even right now.
Yeah, boys. Stop loss to break even. Take some pips over here. Let's go.
Where is my magic key?
12 pips over here for me. Nice. And now I've got a runner running. Runner is running over here. Stop loss entry. And I think my runner can do a lot. I'm actually going to hold a bit of a runner on over here. Oh, yes! Come on! Come on! See, the moon told me. I'm telling you, the moon told me. Here we go, guys. Just caught a beautiful trade on GJ. Up about 15 pips over here. Called on stream. We got W's in the chat. Let's go. And there you go, guys. Simple, simple, simple. Guys, let's get some W's in the chat over here. Beautiful. How bad is that? How bad luck is that? What do you mean bad luck? That's a great trade from me. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Very, very good. Let's take a look at all these dubs in the chat. You guys take all these trades? Yes, sir. Told you guys, don't count on me. I'm telling you. Dubs in the chat. Yo, how do I leave runner on MT4? You close partial and set to break even. I don't really know like the specifics, but you can just. I don't really know, to be honest. I just use magic keys now. Finally, GJ gives us some volume. Yes, sir. Let's go. Dubs in the chat. Dubs in the chat, boy. And we should continue down over here. You know, very, very good trade. Solid trade over here. I waited for the 50 minutes to close bearish. Even though it didn't close below, I was happy to take the trade once we exceeded the lows, because higher time frames always prevail, you know. Now, guys, come on. I just did that trade for you guys. Just made you some money. Make sure to like the stream, guys. I want you all to like the stream. There's 94 people on. If you guys haven't liked the stream, what are you doing, man? Like the stream, man. Make sure to spam that like button. We're here every single morning. We do these trades live. Damn it. I don't know how to cut partials. You need magic keys, bro. Go to close order and lower your lot size. Yeah, go to close.
Right click and press modify.
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah, right click and press modify, yeah.
Let me check,
So open the trade instead of opening each one, you can see. Yeah. Beautiful, guys. 69 likes. Amazing. Let's see how far this runner can go over here. I'm hoping we can survive the hourly top wick in a minute's time to then continue down. But we're closing really in the zone over here now. We should continue. And that's how you do it, man. You know, don't be worried about taking trades over here. If you missed them, there's always moves, but you have to be very, very key. Thank you very much, Amoni, for subscribing to the channel. So it looks like I took a gold loss over here at a GJ trade, and everyone in their mentorship didn't take that gold trade because they didn't post it. Beautiful. Can't wait to get any my magic keys. Yeah, man, magic keys is fire, bro. But after managing risk on gold.
Yeah, I took that gold trade, but I closed it early.
Yeah, man. You closed it early, nice.
Yeah, once it couldn't close above,
Yeah.
I closed half and then just let the rest run.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I should have done that. I gave it a bit more room. But I mean, look at this now. So it's not the best price action, to be honest. But yeah, closure above. Now it's actually had a closure above, which is interesting. So let's take a look over here. Yeah, 30-minute hourly's closed. Oh, this is gonna fly now. Watch this. I've taken this trade way too many times today, or looked at it too many times. I can't be asked to do it again. But let's see if our analysis is right on that blue line over here. I think we should be good because look, the hourly's closed bullish, the 30 minutes closed bullish. You know, it's wicked down. It's rejected these lows over here. Where's it gonna do? It's gonna continue up. The only issue is this price action. But finally, we have had a closure above. So now GJ over here is making the top wick and should be continuing down the hourly. As I said, yeah, we took this trade over here. My runners are still on. And I'm really expecting these runners to tap this zone over here, 249. So we'll see if we can keep that on over here. Hopefully it doesn't hit us out. Still like 7 pips profit, 8 pips in profit, so we still got a little bit of leeway over here. Did the moon say to give gold another try? The moon said, stay the fuck away from gold. Stay the fuck away. I mean, it looks good. Like, you know, if this was what the candle was open, I probably would be taking it if we do exceed these highs at 1777.2. I mean, if people want to take that trade and haven't taken a gold trade yet, I think that could be valid. But just know that, like, look at the time frames, look at the 15-minute. It does look a bit like a barcode. You know, when you start to identify barcodes, you know, they actually, even if it could be doing really nice, the actual issue with it is price just doesn't run like the way it should be.
Yeah, I'm just waiting till NY for gold.
Yeah, for sure.
Let it do what it want to do.
Yeah, but it should continue over here. Exceeding these highs now. Thing is, where would your stop loss be? I'm trying to think. Maybe look on the 5-minute. Yeah, 5-minute stops, 12 pips, not too bad. Let's see if our analysis is right. Take a look over here. But I'm not going to take it. I just want to see if we're right. So at that time there, I probably would have entered, but I'll be looking at the 5-minute. So like here, stop loss below. I'm not taking this trade. PS, I'm not taking this trade. I'm just seeing if it works. Okay. But if you guys do want to take it, it probably could work. So here's our blue line. This was the buy stop line that we talked about. Let's take a look and see if it works over here, guys. And if you guys have just taken this trade, then yeah, thank me. So what I do is, you know, on these highs over here, I'm gonna have to put my stop loss to break even. I'm just doing this theoretically, guys. I'm not in this trade. You know, I repeat, I'm not in this trade. But if I was in this trade, when we come up to these highs over here, I'm gonna put my stops to break even, because it is a rejection zone and we have to be careful. But we should continue over here. Yeah, beautiful. 73 likes. That's better, guys. That's better. 73 likes. A lot of people took that GJ trade then, hey? Nice. People stayed on and waited for that GJ trade over here. Am I still in it? Let's take a look. Yeah, I'm still in it.
Yeah.
Nice.
Should continue down. It's got nice candles to the left.
Yeah, it's literally just the top wick of the hourly. That's the issue. It's just how big,
Yeah.
you know what I mean? Like this hourly, to stay bullish, to stay bearish, all it has to do is not exceed the high of this one. So, you know, this can run up quite a lot over here, unfortunately. That is the only
Yeah,
issue
definitely.
we have. So mine might get stopped out over here. If not, that's fine. Would you consider that resistance to fake out? I trade in Nasdaq a lot and fake outs go for retest quite often. Which pair are you looking for? Which pair would you think? Would you consider that resistance a fake out? Oh, here. Oh, look, flip now, bitch. Oh, no, I can't. Gold might come back down for hourly bottom wick. Yeah. Let's take a look at the hourly. Yeah, the thing is, it's had the closure. The candle before already did the bottom wick. That's the good thing about it. So as I said, very soon, if we do come to these highs, I'll be putting my stop loss to break even over here. Come on, GJ, flip that candle, you pussy. Flip it! No! Oh,
Shit.
Let's come back up over here. Let's see. Let's take a look and see if this gold will be okay. Yeah, mine got wicked out over here, unfortunately, on GJ. God dang it!
Nice trade though.
Yeah, it was good, man. Bet any drawdown. Now I'm wanting this gold to really present me some values over here. Let's see if we can hit some TPs. Who's in this gold trade? I know some people are going to be in this fucking gold trade in YouTube and stuff. So running around about, let's take a look over here, 5 pips should continue. But as we said, you know, don't worry about the runners and stuff for GJ. The issue is with them is they have to make a top wick for the next candle. So, are you completely out of GJ now? Yeah. My break-even runner got hit out over here. Now I want to see if my analysis is correct on gold, and then that'll be the session done over here. So yeah, maybe I should have waited for a closure above over here. That'd have been probably better. But let's just see if this paid off over here. 75 likes, amazing. Hello from Serbia, first time here. Oh, amazing! Thank you very much for coming on. How did you find my channel? I'd love to know. From Serbia, amazing. Yeah, amazing, guys. So 75 likes. If you guys haven't liked this stream, what are you doing, man? So let's take a look. 5 minute did kind of come to these highs over here. May have put my stops to break even. Let's just see though. I'm gonna give it another 7 minutes, see if it does get the blast off. If not, then we know price action's been ass, and it's good that we left it over here. GBP/USD still chilling. GBP/AUD. Oh snap! Oh snap! Load the data, boy. Oh my god, what is GJ doing? Holy shit, some X game shit. Come on, gold, you're so slow today. Holy shit. Come on, run up. Run up, you pussy. Okay, so GBP/AUD over here needs to do the flip. Do the flip. And could potentially come over. Look at the hourly close and the 4 hour. Oof. That's what I meant, Max. Gold 5 minute, you reckon that's a fake out? The previous resistance cause. I've journaled a lot of that fake outs go and retest. Like this. Oh my god. A fake out to the upside. I don't know what you mean by fake out. Where did it fake out over here? On the 5 minute. I'm trying to see over here. So very soon, just type it on YouTube Forex Live. Ah, good, amazing. I'm glad it's like that. Come on, gold. Got in on GU retracement. Is this for sells or buys? I literally couldn't tell you. Are you in a buy or a sell? I like the title stop loss matters and thought content would be nice, and I got the same. Then subscribed. Thanks for giving us value. By the way, 9.5% profit for this month. Wow, amazing! Congrats, doing well. You're in a buy. Yeah, be careful over here, my boy, because the higher time frames are not showing any buys this time. 4-hour daily bearish, 1 hour is bullish, but you know, is this just making the top wick to then continue and flip and drive down? Because you know it's 50 minutes. You know, normally, you know, the first 10 minutes it does make the top wick, and then when we flip over here, it could get the drive down. Wow, look at that over here. So yeah, for me, I would have been break even again. Gold is just not playing today. Sometimes you got to take what it gives you and then leave it. You know, try not to do it as many times, because normally if it doesn't work the first time, price action is just bad and you have to leave it over here. You have to identify that it is a barcode. Gold spot. Oh, fake out here. Yeah, it's a fake out on the 5 minute. Yeah, but it's a very, very low time frame. But yeah, for sure it is a bit of a. The reason why I look at the 5 minute here is just resistance. But yeah, it was a fake out. Yeah. For sure, that is a fake out over here. Fake out, fake out. Yeah, that 5 minute closing here is just not the best. I still think it should still run up over here, but let's see this 50-minute close in 4 minutes time. Let's see if you kept that trade on over here. So I said in this line over here. Stop loss is below. Was it here or here? I think here. See if it can still color it over here. 78 likes. Make sure to like the stream if you guys already haven't. Let's try and get to 100 likes. 100 likes the stream would be amazing. So I've seen him fake outs, go to retest, then reject. Yeah, I see that a lot as well. You can see the volume though here. Like, what time is it now? 9 o'clock. Yeah, it starts to die off over here. 81 likes. Amazing. Amazing. We're doing amazing on the likes. Oh yeah, I'll send you that thing over here. Wait, send me your email again. Who's the guy who wanted it was a Brian, I think. Send me the email again. Look at that rejection over here. So for me, yeah, that would have been a no-go trade now. Rejecting the highs again. Came up to resistance right around this low, and that's why I said, you know, put your stops to break even over here. So yeah, good managing of the risk. And yeah, now you'll start to see price, maybe you'll start to range like usual between 9:30 and 11:30, and then volume starts to come back at 11:30. If you guys do want to join my NY session, I have a mentorship group. It is $49.99 a month, and it comes with webinars, simulations, drop-in sessions, 10 live streams a week, and yeah, so make sure to come and join that if you I'm just going to copy that. Make sure you come in if you guys haven't already. And also, we've got 4 more people. 4 more people need to join. And when that happens, I'll be giving away a 100+ giveaway in the group. So that'll be pretty cool. I'll send you this. So yeah, let's take a look over here. Intro. Why can't I do this over here? Where is it? Oh, there. Yeah. 1 second. Where's the downloads? This one, I think. One second. Let me just move this. Okay, I know. 1 second. There we go. So I sent you the document. It should come in a second. Just uploading all that good stuff. Yeah, beautiful. 67 views, 83 likes. We did an amazing stream today, guys. I'll put the recap on YouTube over here because I've recorded it. Very, very simple. Look at this gold. So gold just isn't the day. It was GJ. GJ was the day, and played out really nicely over here, guys. So beautiful. Tried to get into some sells here, but the stop for me were a bit risque. But ran down like 60 pips overall, so beautiful. What time is it now? 9:15. I think I'm gonna leave it over here, guys. Thank you very, very much for coming on, and I'll see you guys. Streamers lit like the moon, yeah. And I'll see you guys very, very soon. Thank you very much. Before we go, and I'll see you guys very, very later. I'll see you at NY in the mentorship group. See you later. Peace out, guys. Thank you very much.
Peace out.
Peace out, man.